Happy Rhymes World!
Just be nimble, quick and proud. He lit the sky with sparks so loud. He waved his torch through colored smoke and laughed as golden fountains spoke. Red rockets soared, then burst in stars. They glimmered bright from near to far. The crowd all gasped with wide delight as colors danced across the night. He jumped through sparks, his grand display made darkness glow in every way. Jack's fireworks lit the Milky Way. So loud, he waved his torch through colored smoke and laughed as golden fountains spoke. Red rockets soared, then burst in stars. They glimmered bright from near to far. The crowd all gasped with wide delight as colors danced across the night. He jumped through sparks, his grand display made darkness glow in every way. Jack's fireworks lit the Milky Way, made darkness glow in every way. Jack, be nimble, quick and proud. Pink puffs floated way up high. A bubblegum world filled the sky. They pop and sparkle round and sweet like candy clouds above the street. Birds blew bubbles big and blue while the sun made a rainbow hue. A breeze went pop, then whoosh again, and filled the air with sugar rain. Ooh, we sang and laughed, both me and you, with sticky smiles and skies of goo. Bubblegum dreams come floating through. Pink puffs floated way up high. A bubblegum world filled the sky. They pop and sparkle round and sweet like candy clouds above the street. So much fun together until the very end. And blue while the sun made a rainbow hue. A breeze went pop, then whoosh again, and filled the air with sugar rain. Ooh, we sang and laughed, both me and you, with sticky smiles and skies of goo. Bubblegum dreams come floating through.
La la la, singing with my best friend. So much fun together until the very end.
Raindrops tap my hat in tune. They dance beneath the silver moon. Each drop goes plink, then plonk, then pat. A drumming beat right on my hat. The puddles shimmer, frogs go croak. The rhythm hums through every oak. I twirl and stomp, the rain plays loud. A watery concert for the crowd. The sky joins in with thunder's cheer. Then rainbow light begins to peer. The raindrop dance rings loud and clear. Raindrops tap my hat in tune. They dance beneath the silver moon. Each drop goes plink, then plonk, then pat. A drumming beat right on my hat. The puddles shimmer, frogs go croak. The rhythm hums Nursery concert for the crowd. One scoop, two scoop, make it three. Melting fast and sweet for me. Four scoop, five scoop, stack so tall. Oops, it's wobbly, might just fall. Six scoop, seven scoop, chocolate round, dripping slowly to the ground. Eight scoop, nine scoop, rainbow blend. I lick and laugh, it'll never end. 10 scoops shining in the sun. Ice cream counting sure is fun. Let's eat them quick before they run. One scoop, two scoop, make it three. Melting fast and sweet for me. Four scoop, five scoop, stack so tall. Oops, it's wobbly, might just fall. Giggle giraffe so tall and neat, could see the clouds and smell the sweet. He told a tale both long and wide about the moon.
And so, with a mighty leap, the little lion saved the day.
Now. He winked and bowed, I'll show you how. He stretched his neck up through the blue and tickled stars with laughter too. The jungle roared with claps of glee for tallest jokes in history. A giggly tale from A to Z. Giggle giraffe so tall and neat, could see the clouds and smell the sweet. He told a tale both long and wide about the moon he almost tied. The zebras laughed, you're fibbing.
And that's how we all became the best of friends.
I'll show you how. He stretched his neck up through the blue and tickled stars with laughter too. The jungle roared with claps of glee for tallest jokes in history. A giggly tale from A to Z. Peekaboo, says moon so bright, hiding behind the clouds tonight. It pops back out, a silver face, and fills the sky with glowing grace. The stars all giggle, twinkling too, as moon plays peek with me and you. The trees say shh and sway in tune, while owls hum softly to the moon. Then clouds drift by, the game's not through. Peekaboo calls moonlight new. We laugh beneath its golden
They
hue.
say if you listen closely, you can hear the forest breathe.
I found a road of colors bright. It shimmered red and green and white. I stepped on yellow, bounced on blue, and purple sang a song or two. The clouds looked down with happy eyes as rainbows stretched across the skies. I met a frog in sparkly shoes who danced along to rainbow blues. We skipped through hues pots of giggles twist and bend, a rainbow road with joy to send. I found a road of colors bright. It shimmered red and green and white. I stepped on yellow, bounced on blue, and purple sang a song or two. The clouds looked down with happy eyes as rainbows stretched across the skies. I met a frog in sparkly shoes who danced along to rainbow blues. We skipped through hues from end to end, where pots of giggles twist and bend, a rainbow road with joy to send. A tiger laughed beneath the tree, so ticklish, wild, and full of glee. A butterfly brushed on its nose. It giggled loud from head to toes. It rolled around with stripes that shine and purred a beat in funny rhyme. The monkeys clapped a tune so grand, while parrots played a jungle band. Each laugh made flowers start to sway. The tiger danced the whole bright day. A ticklish tune won't go away. Little Bo Peep had time to spare, so she opened a spa with fancy care. Her sheep got baths with bubbles high, and bows that twinkled to the sky. She brushed their wool till soft as cream. They smiled so wide it looked a dream. She clipped their hooves and hummed along, while birds outside sang spa day song. Each pet left fresh with shiny hue, and wagged their tails as off they flew. Bo Peep's pet spa, brand new. Little Bo Peep had time to spare, so she opened a spa with fancy care. Her sheep got baths with bubbles high, and bows that twinkled to the sky. She brushed their wool till soft as cream. They smiled so wide it looked a dream. She clipped their hooves and hummed along, while birds outside sang spa day song. Each pet left fresh with shiny hue, and wagged their tails as off they flew. Bo Peep's pet spa, brand new.
Blue and love to stare. Broken teddies
smiled from bed so neat, with shiny shoes upon her feet. The toys all sang in happy tune, their laughter echoed till the moon, a hospital of joy and boom.
We're all fixed up and ready to play. Oh, what a happy, happy day.
Toy repair with hammers, glue, and love to stare. Broken teddies lined the floor, robots fixed each door once more. She mended wheels and sewed new eyes and painted cars in bright surprise. Her dolly smiled from bed so neat, with shiny shoes upon her feet. The toys all sang in happy tune, their laughter echoed till the moon, a hospital of joy and boom.
We're all fixed up and ready to play. Oh, what a happy. Three blind mice with skates so sleek zoomed through town at racing peak. They felt the wind and heard the cheer as fans all shouted, "Go, go here!" They turned with speed and perfect aim. Each lap a burst of fiery flame. They dodged the cones, they jumped the rail. Their jet shoes left a shining trail. They crossed the line with sparks that flew and waved to friends who always knew. Fastest mice the world e'er drew. Do 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 do. Three blind mice with skates so sleek zoomed through town at racing peak. They felt the wind and heard the cheer as fans all shouted, "Go, go here!" They turned with speed and perfect aim. Each lap a burst of fiery flame. They dodged the cones, they jumped the rail. Their jet shoes left a shining trail. They crossed the line with sparks that flew and waved to friends who always knew. Fastest mice the world e'er drew.
You did it!
My scooter seems so shiny red. It whistles songs beneath my tread. I race the wind, I chase the sun. My helmet gleams on having fun. The wheels go where the world goes fast. The trees and houses zoom right past. A puddle splash, a giggly spin. A happy race, I always win.
This is so much fun!
The birds all cheer from where they hide. They love my speedy Scooby glide. Let's ride again side by side.
flapped so high across the snow and silver sky. He passed the stars that twinkled bright and watched the northern dancing light. He waved at seals and whales below while icy winds began to blow. He saw a sleigh with bells that gleamed and wondered if it all was dream. He humped with joy at frozen sea and glided home so gracefully, a flying goose of mystery. So high across the snow and silver sky. He passed the stars that twinkled bright and watched the northern dancing light. He waved at seals and whales below while icy winds began to blow. He saw a sleigh with bells that gleamed and wondered if it all was dream. He humped with joy at frozen sea and glided home so gracefully, a flying goose of mystery. Teddy climbed aboard his train through tunnels, trees, and candy lane. The wheels went clack, the whistle blew, as rainbow steam came drifting through. The bears all waved from Toy Box Town, as trains went up and looping down. The tracks turned gold beneath the sun. Each twist in turn was silly fun. He rang the bell with steady hand and smiled so big, oh wasn't it grand? Teddy's train across the land.
Joyful laughter.
He climbed aboard his train through tunnels, trees, and candy lane. The wheels went clack, the whistle blew, as rainbow steam came drifting through. The bears all waved from Toy Box Town, as trains went up and looping down. The tracks turned gold beneath the sun. Each twist in turn was silly fun. He rang the bell with steady hand and smiled so big, oh wasn't it grand? Teddy's train across the land.
Joyful laughter.
My robot beeps a happy song with flashing lights that blink along. Its metal hands can wave and spin and draw cool shapes with goofy grin. We build tall blocks and count to 10, then start the whole fun game again. It hums and dances side by side with twirling gears and blinking pride. At that time it says, beep good night. Its eyes glow soft, a gentle light. My robot dreams till morning bright. happy song with flashing lights that blink along. Its metal hands can wave and spin and draw cool shapes with goofy grin. We build tall blocks and count to 10, then start the whole fun game again. It hums and dances side by side with twirling gears and blinking pride. At bedtime it says, "Be good night." Its eyes glow soft, a gentle light. My robot dreams till morning bright.
Beep, good night.
Busy bees in golden air, buzzing softly everywhere. They hum a tune, sweet and bright, from dawn to soft and glowing light. They gather nectar, sip and glide, and hide their honey jars inside. The flowers bow, the trees all sway, as bees buzz songs throughout the day. The hive glows warm, the queen sings too, with honey drinks so rich and true. Buzz, buzz, joy in skies of blue.
Gentle, melodic,
Busy bees in golden air, buzzing softly everywhere. They hum a tune, both sweet and bright, from dawn till soft and glowing light. They gather nectar, sip and glide, then hide their honey jars inside. The flowers bow, the trees all sway, as bees buzz songs throughout the day. The hive glows warm, the queen sings too, with honey dreams so rich and true. Buzz, buzz, joy in skies of blue.
Bananas hopped into a boat. They sang so loud their tunes did float. They strummed on heels and tapped the floor. Merrily, 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 shore to shore. The waves went splish, the fish went yay. The boat just grooved across the bay. They danced in sync with fruity flair, while pineapples watched everywhere. The breeze joined in with jazzy swing and made the ocean dance and sing. A banana boat, boogie for everything. Bananas hopped into a boat. They sang so loud their tunes did float. They strummed on peels and tapped the floor, and boogied right from shore to shore. The waves went splish, the fish went yay. The boat just grooved across the bay. They danced in sync with fruity flair, while pineapples watched everywhere. The breeze joined in with jazzy swing and made the ocean dance and sing. A banana boat, boogie for everything. Into a boat, they sang so loud their tunes did float. They strummed on peels and tapped the floor, and boogied right from shore to shore. The waves went splish, the fish went yay. The boat just grooved across the bay. They danced in sync with fruity flair, while pineapples watched everywhere. The breeze joined in with jazzy swing and made the ocean dance and sing. A banana boat, boogie for everything. Down the lane, a bakery bus with sweet refrain. Cupcakes bounced on silver trays, and muffins grew through city maze. It honked on tunes sweet smells for all to hear. The donuts spun, the cookies twirled, they danced across the baking world. Each stop brought smiles, each bite was grand, as frosting flew from every hand, a rolling bakery through the land. Down the lane, a bakery bus with sweet refrain. Cupcakes bounced on silver trays, and muffins grew through city maze. It honked out tunes of sugar cheer and spread sweet smells for all to hear. The donuts spun, the cookies twirled, they danced across the baking world. Each stop brought smiles, each bite was grand, as frosting flew from every hand, a rolling bakery through the land. The weasel popped through time and space with spinning gears and cosmic place. He landed first in dinosaur days, then zoomed to nights in armored ways. He popped to future worlds so fast, where robots waved as rockets passed. He danced with stars, he laughed with kings, he fixed his clock with silver rings. Each pop would make the ages spin, from old to new, then back again. A time travel tune to chase and grin.
Goodbye, friends. I'll see you soon.
The weasel popped through time and space with spinning gears in cosmic place. He landed first in dinosaur days, then zoomed to nights in armored ways. He popped to future worlds so fast, where robots waved as rockets passed. He danced with stars, he laughed with kings, he fixed his clock with silver rings. Each pop would make the ages spin, from old to new, then back again. A time travel tune to chase and grin. Sing a song of sixpence gold, with talking ravens black as gold.
Indeed,
They flapped their
the
wings
stars
and told
of your
tales
arrival.
of pirate ships and magic sails. They spoke of kings with golden rings, and queens who danced on crystal strings. They laughed and croaked from dawn to noon, beneath the bright and smiling moon. Their stories flew through misty air, with secret words beyond compare. A song of ravens everywhere.
Once upon a time, under a sky full of stars,
A song of ravens everywhere, with secret words beyond compare. A song of ravens everywhere.
Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, lived a brave.
There was an old woman, clever and kind, who built a dome with peace in mind. It floated high on ocean blue, and shimmered clear with morning dew. Inside she grew bright rainbow flowers, and counted stars for passing hours. Her kittens chased small bubbles round, their laughter made a joyful sound. She watched the world with gentle tone, her crystal home. Her bubble dome was all her own. Her bubble dome was all. There was an old woman, clever and kind, who built a dome with peace in mind. It floated high on ocean blue and shimmered clear with morning dew. Inside she grew bright rainbow flowers and counted stars for passing hours. Her kittens chased small bubbles around, their laughter made a joyful sound. She watched the world with gentle tone, content inside her crystal home. Her bubble dome was all her own.